Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the device with brand new Android 13 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and find the section Security. Now let's scroll down to find the fingerprint unlock. Let's tap. And as you can see, this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have a screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now. It is crucial because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the screen lock. So you won't have to go through the whole hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So that's important, and without setting a screen lock, you won't be able to set the fingerprint also. So we can pick the pattern, pen or password, and I will pick the pattern. Now we have to draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. As you can see, now you can decide what you want to show on the lock screen, so you can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use, just make sure that it is marked. I will leave the first one, so let's tap on done. And here we've got some info about the whole fingerprint unlock, so we can use it to verify that ourselves actually, to turn on this option, to sign into apps, or to approve the purchases. So here we've got the info, how it works, and so on and so on. And so just you can read it. I will just tap on I agree. As you can see, here we've got also the information how to set up the fingerprint, so just tap on start. And in this case, we've got the scanner inside and actually under the screen. So just let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So just release the finger and put it again and again using different angles. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to this device, so just tap on done. Of course, if you want, you can tap on add another, and you will be able to add, for example, the second thumb or which finger you want to. Here we've been transferred to the fingerprint settings, let's say. Now here we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can remove it if we want to, just by tapping on the trash bin icon, or rename it. So let me rename it, because why not? Tap on OK, and here we can add another one. So now let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device and let's try to unlock it. The sensor was somewhere here. Let's check. As you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.